I'm so hungry. Man, what is there to eat here? Paul! What are you gonna eat?
What about those kebabs?
Oh man, let's grill them. Some people believe that the grilling season falls between May and September.
But we at Kitchenary Basics believe that the grilling season falls right now.
And right now it's 19 degrees outside and pitch black.
And what better time then to enjoy some steak shish kebab?
That's right, steak shish kebab is very easy, very simple, and takes absolutely no time at all.
Well, let's get started. You can get shish kebabs pre-cut, ready to grill at your local grocer. That's basic. That's Kitchenary Basics.
Alright guys, those New York steak kebabs were awesome. I'm Chef Rob, I'm here with my main man, 50 grand, Chef Paul.
Thanks guys, we appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.